Hello, welcome. Thanks for joining me. Today we're looking at spoil boards, the simplicity of fitting them to the table, why we want one, and what use is it. Well, this spoil board, as you see, it's at the farthest point on the y-axis and the router is at the farthest left on the x-axis. So that's the parameters that we need to know when considering a project size. The spoil board, in a way, is to allow you to cut very deep into a project and not touch any metal, i.e. the CNC bed being aluminium. If we're going to touch anything, it'll be touch the spoil board. And that's just a test of our accuracy of the calibration of the CNC. But if we start bottom left of the CNC home point and we move bottom right, if we had the router zeroed at the spoil board depth, then all we should see is a slight line, the full width of the spoil board. And similarly, if we start bottom left and we go top left with the router starting from the home position, we should see a slight mark on the spoil board. That'll tell us that the spoil board's flat and straight so that we can attach projects to it. So let's just jog the z-axis down to spoil board 0 and then move x-axis as far as we can to the right and just see exactly how the spoil board is sitting now that it's attached to the bed with a couple of countersunk bolts. Jogging the z-axis down. Let's put it over the corner first. Changing the interval to 10 mil. moving the y-axis. Bit too far, so we change the parameter to 1 mil. Let's get the X right down to the surface. Sorry, the Z axis. That's definitely going to leave a mark. So let's move the X-axis to the right and see whether we get any sort of a scribe line. Zooming in, I can see that it's gone considerably deeper. So that would tell me the spoil board is tilted slightly. The right side being higher than the left. So we have a choice. We can put spaces in. Or we can use one of these bits, put that in, and then take a cutting off the board. That would take quite a considerable time, but it would flatten the board and be a good starting point. Why do we want it? Why do we want a change of board? Well, if you've had a quick look at the easel sketch, This type of thing is a car keys tray, an oval hollowed out using a pocket path, I'll change the material and see whether we can get a different look. That's presently on bamboo, which is the chosen wood, but if I put it on a lighter wood it might be better to visualize it. There we go, we'll put it on pine. So it's an oval, pocketed out, that's not bad. You can start to see oval, pocketed out, and then using offset we carve out the oval tray. So that's the plan. I'm going to spice it up a little. I've glued two different coloured woods together. And I'm going to machine the pocket and then cut the whole oval bowl out using a different bit, so it'll be two runs of the CNC, one the pocketing, and try and find or use a bit that gives a rounded corner at the base of the pocket. So that's why I wanted the spoil board on the CNC. It's nice and solid. The bolts are below the surface. So I'm hoping to just attach the project board to the spoil board with double-sided tape, either double-sided or doubled over. But anyway, you've now or a bit more of a picture of the future of this CNC machine and the way projects are going. Thanks for watching me. Join me again soon.